Assalamualaikum students. Today we start SLO number 9 in domain D, mitosis. Yes, mitosis stage is number 1 is prophase, in which chromatin material condenses into the special structure that is chromosome. Here you see the centriole moving towards opposite pole and forming mitotic apparatus, and nuclear envelope disappear. Now metaphase. In metaphase, chromosomes arrange themselves on the equator, and then anaphase. Here the chromosomes separate and move towards the opposite pole by the shrinkage of spindle fiber. Here you see the movement. Now last one, that is telophase, with side by side cytoplasm pinched and chromosomes reach to the opposite pole. Here you see the nuclear envelope again appeared and chromosomes convert into the special structure, thread-like structure, that is chromatin. And here the telophase end, and the last is cytokinesis, and two daughter diploid cells produce in this stage. Hope you will understand the concept of mitosis. Thanks for watching. Like and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.